Hello, nice to see you here in Power Apps. So hopefully you understand the power of Power Apps if you visited our intro stop. Power Apps help you build apps that help you get work done using some of the great Office 365 applications you're already used to, and allows your organization to effectively get the information they need and stay connected when they're on the go, no matter where they are. And best of all, you can create an app yourself. So let's dive in by seeing how we can create our first Power App. Once you navigate to your Power Apps application via the app launcher, you'll see your navigation pane to the left. However, if we scroll down, you'll see that you have access to start creating apps with some sample apps, as well as templates for you to work with, as well as to create a new app and create a database using Common Data Service. While you're given many options to create a new app here on your Power Apps homepage, such as here and up here, just know that you'll always have that option from your navigation pane as well, right here on the lower left-hand corner. Once we click on New App, we can either choose to start creating an app with our data or start with a blank canvas or template. And you'll notice that we also have options to work with either a phone layout or a tablet layout. Let's go ahead and choose to create one with our data. And let's click this arrow here to see what else we can work with. As you can see, I have lots of options here to connect to various cloud services, so Power Apps will help build my app from the data that I choose. My options range from Dropbox to Dynamics 365, OneDrive for Business, to even Google Drive and Salesforce. I'm going to click on OneDrive for Business. And I'll be prompted to choose an Excel file. I'll choose the appropriate table I want to pull the data from and click Connect. My app will build and create, and I can go ahead and play around with the look and feel of my app. I'll get a small tour of what I can do and what everything is when the app is being built as well. On our left-hand side, I can view my detail screen. So if I click here, I'll be able to get a detailed look of my screens, and clicking within that preview screen, such as clicking on the text, I can customize it further on the right-hand side by changing the text value, adjusting the positioning and padding, as well as color of the font and the display mode, whether I want to enable this as edit or view or disable it altogether. On my home ribbon, I can add a new screen, change the theme of my app, change the font. I can even reorder shapes and align them. In the Insert tab, I can work with labels and inserting buttons, new text, even the types of controls I want. I can add a gallery, data table if I have any data to connect, as well as work with forms, types of media, charts, and icons. While in the View tab, I can view some sources at hand and manage and view media and collections. On the Action tab, I'll be able to see and choose how I want my app to behave once it's running, and of course add any flows to my app as well. And on the Labels tab, I can work with some editing options as well in regards to further customizing the app text and look and feel. Finally, on the right-hand side, you'll see some options to undo or redo. Once you save your newly created Power App to the cloud, you can share it as well, and preview it too. So once you're done with your app and feel it's ready for your organization, go to File, and first let's look at App Settings. From here, we can name the app, choose a background color for our icon, and choose the icon to represent our app. Then we can input a description. Now that we've done that, let's look at screen size and orientation. Here we can choose the screen size and orientation that your users will most likely be using, either landscape or portrait. We can also choose to lock the aspect ratio as well as lock the orientation. After finalizing, let's click Save. And make sure you save it to the cloud so you can share it with others. As you can see, building an app is complex, yet so powerful. Once you get the hang of it, ensure that you share the information and data your organization needs the most on this powerful platform known as Power Apps to ensure your organization's mobile experience is up to par. Thanks for hanging.